Your factory dashboard is showing you the past. What if it could predict the future and act on it? Traditional dashboards just display data. They can't fix the bottleneck in line 3 or reroute a stalled shipment. Agentic AI doesn't just monitor, it autonomously diagnoses, decides, and executes. Let's explore how this shift from passive monitoring to active intelligence is redefining operational control. Today, we'll explore how Agentic AI transforms alerts into immediate action and what a fully autonomous factory floor looks like. Let's look at the fatal flaw in every traditional dashboard. It shows you a problem, but it can't fix it. The data arrives after the fact, a historical record of what already went wrong. You see a temperature spike on line 4, a red alert for a failing motor. Now a person must interpret that alert, decide on a response, and manually trigger a work order. In a factory where seconds count, that human-in-the-loop delay is a critical vulnerability. Picture this split screen. On the left, a manager stares at a cascade of red alerts, phone in hand, trying to reach maintenance. On the right, an Agentic AI interface has already detected the same motor vibration anomaly. It autonomously orders the replacement part from inventory, reschedules the maintenance crew for the next shift window, and reroutes production to another line. The crisis is averted before the manager even finishes dialing. This is the core problem. Dashboards are passive mirrors. They reflect the state of your factory, but they cannot act. They create a bottleneck of human interpretation and approval, slowing your response to a crawl. Your operations team becomes firefighters, constantly reacting to alarms the system already knew about. This reliance on human-mediated action is why traditional monitoring keeps you stuck in the past. The next evolution is a system that doesn't just watch, but decides and does. Introducing Agentic AI. Agentic AI systems are autonomous decision makers that perceive factory conditions, reason about optimal responses, and execute actions without waiting for human approval. Agentic AI is an autonomous operator built for your factory floor. It perceives conditions through sensors, like vibration or temperature. It reasons about the data, comparing it against optimal performance models. Then it acts, executing a fix without waiting for a green light. This is not a smarter dashboard. It is a digital team member that makes decisions. While a dashboard just shows a motor overheating, the agent is already shutting it down, ordering the part, and updating the production schedule. It turns a potential hours-long outage into a minor self-correcting event. The system handles the routine and the complex. It coordinates between inventory, maintenance, and production lines in real time. Your human experts are freed from constant monitoring to focus on improvement and innovation. The factory begins to run itself. This shift changes everything from alerts to actions. The shift from dashboards to agents transforms operations from reactive firefighting to proactive, continuous optimization, where the system itself handles routine decisions and complex coordination. This is where the factory stops reacting and starts optimizing. The agent doesn't wait for a human to see a red light. It sees a bearing's vibration trending toward failure and schedules its replacement during a planned line and changeover. It notices a raw material shipment is delayed and automatically adjusts the production sequence across 3 lines to maintain output. The system handles the complex coordination between procurement, maintenance, and production scheduling in a continuous loop. Your team is no longer chasing alarms. They are analyzing the agent's performance reports, refining its decision models, and planning the next efficiency gain. The firefighting stops because the fire is prevented. This is the operational shift from managing crises to orchestrating flow. Your autonomous factory. Implementing Agentic AI creates a self-managing facility that anticipates failures, optimizes resource allocation, and allows human experts to focus on innovation rather than monitoring. Welcome to the autonomous factory floor. This is where the agentic system runs the show. It doesn't just fix problems, it prevents them entirely. The AI predicts a motor will fail in 72 hours and schedules its own maintenance during a low production window. It sees a supplier delay coming and autonomously shifts the entire production sequence across multiple lines to keep output on target. Raw materials are ordered, energy use is optimized, and quality checks are adjusted in real time, all without a single human approval click. Your facility becomes a self-regulating organism. The constant hum of activity is managed by a silent digital conductor. This frees your human experts from the control room. They are now in the innovation lab, designing better products, refining the AI's decision models, and planning the next leap in efficiency. The firefighting stops because the system prevents the sparks. Your factory is no longer just making things. It is learning, adapting, and improving itself. To start building your autonomous operation, click the link in the description to download our free guide on transitioning from dashboards to active AI agents. The dashboard is no longer a mirror. It's a memory. Your factory now thinks, acts, and improves itself. The control room is quiet because the system is listening. Your experts are finally free to build what comes next. Click the link below to download our free guide on transitioning from passive dashboards to active AI agents in your facility.